Welcome to the Sale with Email List Mastery Minute. When you're just starting out with email marketing, it can feel like you're just starting out learning how to drive. You hit the send button and then poof, off into the unknown. And now what? Well, that's where email metrics comes in. Think of it like checking your car's dashboard, speed, fuel, oil levels. They let you know if everything's running smoothly. Now, in email marketing, metrics like open rates, click to open rates, and unsubscribe rates, well, they're your dashboard indicators. They tell you what people think of your emails. So let me break down for you 4 basic email metrics that others don't tell you about, and you're going to get the best out of every email that you send. Spam complaint rates. Spam complaint rates are the most important metric you need to be aware of. Bet you didn't know that, huh? Yes. A spam complaint occurs when somebody really hates your email and they tell their mailbox provider about it. Spam complaint rate is the number of spam complaints expressed as a percentage of the emails accepted by the mailbox provider. A spam complaint rate that's more than 0.1% is a huge red flag. So if you have a high spam complaint rate, then the mailbox provider will refuse to accept your emails and you're dead in the water. That's why you must send emails only to those who have given you direct permission to do so. And as soon as you get their email addresses, send them an email telling them about what they've signed up to receive from you. Hey, the longer you wait between when you get an email address to when you send your first email to them, the higher the chance of getting a spam complaint. Why? Well, it's because people forget all the time what they signed up for. Open rates. Now, open rates tell you if people care enough about your emails to read them. Open rate is the number of emails read expressed as a percentage of the emails accepted by the mailbox providers. You want rates above 30%. Now, before 2021, email open rates had some meaning, but after that, not much. Things you can do to bump up open rates include, well, stop sending emails to people who never read them. Or you can re-examine how you're capturing the email addresses you're sending to. There may be a disconnect between what you've told people they're going to get from you and what you're actually sending. Click to open rates. Now, this metric is valuable to expert email marketers. Click to open rate is the number of people who clicked at least once in your email expressed as a percentage of the number of people who read the email at least once. Now, the reason why it's so valuable is the obvious answer to the question, how can you click a link in an email if you've never read it? So a click to open rate above 20% is doing pretty well. The whole purpose of your email is to get your reader to click a link and go to a website. Nobody reads emails anymore. Instead, people scan emails. Modern email copywriting keeps emails short and easily scannable. You want your email copy just to get your reader interested enough that they'll click through to your website for more info. And more links in your email, the better. Even if they're the same landing page on your website, always give your reader at least 3 chances to click links in your email. Test different versions of your email copy to find the ones that motivate your readers the best to click through. Unsubscribe rates. Don't be afraid of this metric. You don't want to send your emails to anyone who doesn't want them. You're wasting your time. You're wasting your money if you do. As a matter of fact, you want people to unsubscribe from your emails if they don't want them anymore. Better an unsubscribe than a spam complaint. And though you may be sending fewer emails, you're sending them to people who actually want them. So your open rate goes up, good, and your click to open rate goes up, even gooder, even better. Bottom line, Understanding your email marketing metrics is the key to your success. Pay attention to the metrics I've just shared with you. They help you to see what's working and what's not. Just like a car dashboard helps you know if you're going to get to where you want, these metrics help you steer your campaigns in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll receive more Sell with Email List Mastery Minutes.